Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to change aspect ratio in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos, and Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library where you can add and edit any picture that you like. Now tap on the picture that you'd like to edit. And on the third option, you will see Crop on the bottom menu. Tap on that. And as the first option here, you will see many things. Since my picture's aspect ratio doesn't fit any category, it's set to custom. But if you click on it, it will show you many more aspect ratio, which might vary based on what is your picture's original aspect ratio. Now, you can simply select any aspect ratio you like, and your picture will change into that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below, and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.